Before trailing with Crawford, it was time to get rid of the crusty all-seasons and get some new all-terrains for the Crosstrek. We were fortunate to find a fresh set of gently used Lion Claw AT2 tires from our friend, so when we went to go pick them up and test mounted them to the Crosstrek, it was unfortunate that the wheels did not clear the front brake calipers.
We just came from Crawford Performance, and they were able to give us some new wheels, so we're excited to put those on the Crosstrek, get those tires fitted. It's gonna look freaking sick. All right guys, so we got the wheels, tires mounted, balanced on the car now. We got all four. Freaking sick, looking great. We got the fifth wheel already in the trunk along with the stockies. So yeah, we got the Icon ricochets in 15x7s with the Crawford wheel cap. Looks freaking sick. And then we wrapped it with the Lion Claw ATX 2s, 215/75/15s. These are the best tire size to go with, guys, if you're running a lifted or non-lifted Crosstrek and you don't want to deal with any rubbing issues at all. So yeah.
End of flashback.
What is up, you guys? Welcome to another episode of the Overland Crosstrek build. Today we got the whole team right over here, and thank you to Crawford Performance for allowing us to build our Crosstrek. Today we are going to be installing the Oil Separator and the Billet power block. So thank you again for coming over. We're gonna have a ton of fun. And if you guys are interested in getting more horsepower, more reliability, be sure to check out Crawford Performance, and let's get started with the build.
So I'm Adam, I'm the general manager at Crawford Performance, and I'm also a mechanic. And so we have the Crawford Built Power Blocks here. What these do are they're gonna raise the manifold height, and this is going to help with the air velocity, increasing the volumetric efficiency of the FB motor platform.
You see basically getting faster airflow to the engine, and so that's really helpful with these NA applications, especially if you're going to be installing the larger tires and wheels where now you need that extra torque. So that's something that we really want to get back, is not only the nice drivability of the day-to-day, but of course that extra torque lost because we have more drivetrain loss with those larger tires.
Alright, well, looks like the men are in there with 4 hands deep. Oh, we got a girl over here with another 2 hands. How many hands can this Crosstrek take? Let's make it 7. Of course, my hand is useless.
It's best to start from one side of the engine bay and work your way to the other, removing hoses and wiring away from the intake manifold. Now that the intake manifold is off, we can see how much carbon has built up over the course of 90,000 miles. We will have to go back and clean it up after 100,000 miles, but once we install the Oil Separator, we should see less carbon buildup over the same length of time.
All right guys, so just an update for you guys. We basically got the intake manifold back on and in place. We did leave the passenger side a little bit loose because the oil separator that we have also needs to be fastened down with those bolts. So we left those a little loose, and now we're just kind of putting everything back together. So Greg, what do you think so far?
It's not bad of an install. Again, give it your best job and call Crawford if you did have any questions. But again, I'm an experienced wrencher. I know what to look out for and how to proceed if something kind of gets me hung up. But I think it's absolutely doable. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install the oil separator now. Basically what this is going to do is gonna take our vapors that are in our crankcase, and of course that has basically molecularized oil inside of it, and that's going to get caught into here, separate it from the rest of what needs to go back into the recirculation intake, and therefore removing the oil and putting it right back into the crankcase.
Here. And if you want to hook up the rear lines, that's pretty much good to go. Yeah.
Magic.
Magic.
Witchcraft happens. Yeah.
definitely want below that fuel line right there.
All right, doctor, how did the AOS transplant go?
The procedure went well. Right now, she's in recovery. About 20 minutes with all accessories turned off at idle. And we're hoping for a very speedy recovery and back to trailing as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience. I really
Thank you
do.
so much, Dr. Greg.
Absolutely, anything
Sir,
at all.
Dr. Greg. This thing will definitely help out on the trail, make her more reliable. Thank you, Crawford.
We're pretty excited to test out the Crosstrek and see how it does. And we got Crawford right here, so got good company.
Excited?
Oh yeah, I'm very excited.
Saul, you excited? Yeah. Saul's gonna get
He's
tossed
very excited.
around back there.
Hello.
Hello.
Over it. Oh, there you go.
No, that was bad line.
Sorry. I couldn't tell.
So we're going to take the harder line and see how she does with the new tire setup, power blocks. We're going right and then hard left through the center to get.
I think I'm just gonna stuff it right down the side.
That's what I was thinking too.
So he's gonna drop down into here. So he's gonna be off this, and then
Come up and then to the right that way.
So this part is like the hardest part. Besides, he's gonna lose traction there, and then he's gonna lose speed on this. So, driver, slow, 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 slow. Back it up, and then hard driver more. Right now, and then wait, too much, right there, too much, right there. Oh, and then once you get down into the dip, accelerate a little bit. There you go. There you go, keep it going. Perfect.
Power blocks. That 11 pounds of torque.
Let's go, Casey. Power, baby. Stop.
Hey, we got some good action there.
That's how you do it.
Dude.
Like that terribly long. That's freaking tired. Left.
You don't stay like that long. Don't stay like that terribly long, that freaking tire. You're good, you're good. Your driver's side is down. So you're entirely good.
Passenger, going.
Slow, slow, slow. Nice and easy. Nailed it.
What a fucking flex. So far, this trail's not too bad. There's a couple, obstacles in the middle of the road that you could challenge yourself on by picking a harder, more difficult line. But overall, the trail's pretty easy. Just rocky, so you gotta be cautious, especially if you're running all seasons. But yeah, I think the new all-terrain tires and everything, Oil Separator, the power blocks, it just feels so much more confidence inspiring on trail, right?
Oh yeah, dude. It's like night and day difference between driving this stock versus these minor upgrades that we've installed. So
Yeah.
yeah, dude. Easy peasy for a new experience.
All right, what do you think?
We're gonna go up that?
You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll try anything.
I'll try anything once.
R&D for science.
So
We gotta do it for science.
in my backpack, I've got some booger sugar.
So we finally got to the harder part of the trail that we've been trailing for. It's a bit rocky, so we're walking it just to double check everything. I think it's doable. Stay left, but it's a little bit on the, you know, these rocks are definitely going to test your acceleration and the power of the vehicle, and that's why we got the power blocks. Gonna get more torque, get up these rocks and everything. Should be good.
You know what?
Honestly, this doesn't look as bad as
I think we can fucking do it.
That rock is really tall. Nice, nice.
What was that?
Nervous.
Nervous?
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
All right, guys, so now it's our Crosstrek's turn. No skid plates for protection, and we're just gonna hope for the best here. Oh, them lion claws. 20 PSI, brother.
Dude,
That's what it'll do for you, even with some lower budget tires.
I mean, they're working really well.
They
Really
are
well.
actually.
Really surprised by the sidewall strength. So, not bad at all.
Oh yeah.
Go, 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 go!
Max, were you in X mode? You were?
Oh, excellent.
And Axel wasn't in X mode. That's probably why he had more wheel spin, but hey, either way, you got it up.
Yep.
Just in time.
Ready?
Nice wheel placement. Nice. Half of his tires on the rock.
Oh, yeah. You want on the tire? You want off the rock or on the rock? Towards me. Point towards me. You good? Stay on it. You good? You good? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Woo! Woo!
Okay, hold. Should I stand? Is he stable there in the rear?
Yeah, he's pretty stable in the rear.
Traction board?
You want to hit the traction board?
Not yet.
Not yet. Not yet.
I mean, I can get
There we
All
go.
right,
There's the
back
sliders.
Stay left.
That's the sliders, baby.
Stay right. Hit with the speed.
stand right here.
Not that one?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
No, you want the front?
You want the front. You want I feel like you want the front, bro. You want the front.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Hold on. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna get it on video.
There you go. Yeah.
Alright, go for it.
Can he come passenger more? Because he's stuck in a nice rut.
You can come more this way.
Go more passenger. You can climb onto the rock.
With your weight down.
Ah! Go, go, go! Oh! Teamwork!
All right, guys. Well, that's about it for this trail. We're not going to take it up any further. It's a little crazy.
Yeah, that was pretty insane. As much as we'd love to bring Tika, Axel's Crosstrek up here, we don't have rock sliders on his
We don't have
build.
no
just
rock
yet.
sliders just yet. No skid plate, and I don't know if you can see it, but like right about there, the rock sliders were used.
Yeah,
So,
they were definitely used. So, it was still pretty fun, like being able to, see the challenge through another Subaru, but it's time to turn this one around.
Yep, turn it around, go back home.
No, turn.
Turn. More.
Yeah.
More.
More. Good. There we go.
Keep going, yeah.
Oh yeah. A little bit. Just a little bit. And then good.
Driver.
So here, and then stop. What do you think? Up and over?
I think, I think you could go up and over.
All right. To the right, or to your
Driver,
right.
passenger.
Just a little bit. Okay, great.
Yeah, there you go. Then you can go right over. All right, so they made it all the way back down. How was that, guys? Jeez! So it was amazing. They did a great job. No injuries, right? Nothing? No injuries?
To us or the car?
To us, yeah, to them or the car. But they did such a great job, so thanks again, Crawford. And Crawford, you guys killed it. Great job at the trail. So we're gonna head out now. We might show a little bit towards the end of the trail once we get back and air up, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. And remember, keep on trekking.